Aluba.
Rika.
Sing itu kelas nang
bayar.
Batan laki.
So ngali yabu.
Iya. Kuch ko be tabayaw. Wita chikali mandola.
Sikali menonton.
Mandola kutu.
Mantua.
Iya.
Kaya nali sebentar.
Iya. Kaya into na kutu emburandela na.
Iya.
Asanta na kutu sio.
Sio.
Iya.
Tapi tanan ratabu.
Iya.
Boleh tadi berita.
Iya.
Tabu itu tanan ratabu.
Mama binulati be miya opita. Tama ito. Rene sim tungo me tolisuba. Abing ragol la 360 page may nambua.
Right.
Binabalewu.
Iyo.
Binabalewu. Nawe nilingan ra.
Isa.
Iso montengo. Doyan ra bina iyo.
Ano na?
Alam mo mimbi chiyo mo iyo.
Isa. Ano na? Ano tanto kan iyo? Niwa.
Iya.
Nuita ina ni bulu ciu na mata abina ni uwa.
Iya.
Baru ni bina tadi na buni karabita bina tadi bulu gore.
Iya, sir.
Na baru bina tali me punches.
Iya.
So creamy in every bite.
Right. Nah,
Ibu baka mo sa pakatungi kitu. Elda ba ngalugul.
Ya, baru dulu kan berbeda kan ni na bukan karabita bi kita na suci mo ko matagal ni dai.
Kita sara.
So karang mo tagal tu na day offensive na ko kita ba na chubi J Golsi.
Belum nak.
Sebelum cuma na ko po kumulo umbo.
Ya,
Iya.
orang orang.
Oh,
Are po.
Miyong bulare.
Ila lo membimbing di mana mana turang nanti.
Daw bulan.
Baru ni bina katian dia na bukan ni karabita bi. Ni ko na oro.
Sulia si bilo mabatu do bula.
Belum.
Nil nevele wey.
Iya.
Enre.
Belum nak turang
Sani mangali ba?
Iya.
Doyan ra. Binaka.
Di ko na italano ni ito na ito. No dito, sino dito ko naka lang tu rumay.
Right.
And
Kaya talo na ngonti.
kaya italano.
Ano na ko to kwento na.
Hey, Andran Bulunaka, welcome to Ouch Palang Show. Bikin kita na turang maram Nelewa. Di sana cuma another Fiji and abroad.
Right. Ni mo nagtatanga sa mga mga lori, mo text na mo basi mo dugo pa mo tali ko. Uga to ko na.
Waylay.
Otro to na lo malagi. Isa ni mo tao taga na sa kami na rin na makina mo tali ko. Program mo aro taga na Ouch Palang Show bito ko na ni Punches so creamy in everybody. A big blow na ka.
Well, good morning to each and everyone joining this morning.
Right.
It's been a long time.
Right.
We are thankful that we reached the date of the 5th of August. Some of us, we are going somewhere because due to the new month, thank you very much for joining today. To be part of the Monday. To all the students out there, some of the schools they having cadet, they have the pass out. Last Friday to the Natambua High School, and not forgetting the Naitasiri Secondary School from Nalwai, they cadet too, and all the schools, Suba Grammar School, to all the school participating in the cadet for the discipline. CSM.
What's that?
CSM is when you start the match. CSR. Yes, you lead the match. Then you end the match. You take the platoon. Inside.
Attention.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, just mo sulit mga so na command na matagri ko demis. CSM. Kaya siya kasama ta.
Right.
If kayo, may.
Pride. Pride. When we say pride, we don't say in like pride. We say in a support. Hey.
Right. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Because the sap you command. The sap they move.
Sabtu.
Oh, okay.
Pride.
Yeah.
Pride.
What's that?
Yeah, like that.
Wait. What's that like?
The normal thing, huh?
Okay.
Pride will advance. When you say pride will advance, it means something gonna happen next. Pride will advance. Right. When something about to happen, you say pride will advance first. Yeah, that's something. Okay, right or left
Right.
or
Parade in advance.
Yeah.
Don't advance.
Don't everyone's gonna stick on the lead. Yeah. Yeah, you start it, then you give it to RSM,
Iya.
then to the commander.
Sanjina, boy. Ayo sar nga, bina mo sar dems na biluta kia na koribuli mera tuluke.
Iya.
E non tono ngau na bata kia na nom sama isuli chura komande na mata kabina kaliko.
Ya,
Okay, okay, vida na le buni.
Film squad.
As gang in Ratuluke, we don't like not much, eh?
Oh, lima.
Yeah, lima me kamu ko nakalapati.
Kalau matang pa rin yun. Kailan mo talong siya.
Okay, I would like to tell one story.
Yeah.
One story about before this when we was in Form 4 or Form 3.
Right.
But during one Fiji day, we doing one kalapati.
Yeah.
This one before the cadet.
Yeah.
There's only 5 of us. So I would like to take this morning to good morning to Master Manasa Doniwalu and Mrs. Doniwalu.
Right.
Now they are in Lomaibuna. They was our teacher in Ratuluke.
Yeah.
Then this one trying to
Who won?
this one Mr. Doniwalu.
Yeah.
Mr. Manasa Doniwalu was there calling us, come.
Yeah.
There's 5 of us. Myself,
Yeah.
Oliver Masituni,
Yeah.
Joseph Salaune,
Right.
Aporo Sambatimoko,
Yeah.
and Manimbitu.
You never forget full name.
Because we are colleagues.
Right.
Yeah.
Ito from Bata.
Yeah.
So Joseph Salaune
Yeah.
was standing, and as again, one side we tabale,
Yeah.
and one side we like
Bigan ini.
Kurwa.
So they come.
Yeah.
We doing the kalapati. You know at that time, was it's not serious, eh?
Yeah.
Because we was young and we was much in front of the school.
Yeah.
We was much during the kalapati.
Yeah.
When we
Mana
was
sila kalapati?
kuna sung na ndo machiloma.
Oi.
Alo sama itu sama lagi.
Yeah.
Sama lagi. When we watching.
Yeah.
Myself and Joseph, we don't know how to do that because only one day they teach us. Practice.
Yeah.
The right hand
Yeah.
and the right leg
Yeah.
Go together.
on the same time.
Right.
Yeah.
Mikero sa bago Nyo
Yeah.
ko to melaw mawi.
Yeah.
Left hand
Yeah.
with the right leg.
Yeah.
Right. We can do that. We can do the right
Yeah.
and the right at the same time.
Yeah.
Abang ngamen kong kasi will memori.
Yeah.
Kemudian makan rola to nakaret.
Yeah.
Ni sabi si Bitu
Sabi si Bitu ba ya? But thankful to all the orang kasi bulin ni Bulibalu.
Right.
To all the Sotia,
Right.
all the soldiers
Right.
of being part of the teaching.
Right.
Yeah.
It made us discipline.
Right.
Sino sir?
Yeah, discipline on our movement,
Right.
on
Yeah.
our life,
Right.
to be disciplined.
Yeah.
Yes, discipline.
Yeah.
Yeah, because school compound ba?
Eh,
Good morning.
kemudian may ba?
Yeah.
Kemudian sa na sinumay and pagkagini karabi.
Ada story.
This is This is about children.
One children.
Yeah.
The villages,
Yeah.
So collect, come, it's free.
Yeah.
Somebody was shouting,
Yeah.
it's free.
What's
Yeah.
that?
Then they, what's free?
Yeah.
Are cutting.
Yeah.
Oi.
Cutting bure.
Yeah.
They're eating in the house.
Yeah.
Come. Mersangole di Balimbula.
Yeah.
If you are not yet
Healthy.
healthy,
Yeah.
come for healthy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come for healthy. We're going to the hospital.
Right.
The doctor said it's free
Right.
Yeah.
because it's like a season time.
Mhm.
That's the only time they come.
Turun ni Serik.
Iyo.
Yeah, right.
So these people,
Dismantle.
this student was there.
Yeah.
So they was asking,
Yeah.
what gonna happen?
Yeah.
They just take the knife,
Yeah.
They just take the knife and they remove the
What?
topa.
Yeah.
So come, let's go.
Yeah.
So when they go,
Ay, nunukoy.
this one's in Netherlands.
Hey!
So
Last one.
so when they go,
Yeah.
when they going like this for the happening,
Yeah.
one uncle, one grandpa was there.
Yeah.
He was take Junior.
Right.
Junior, let's go.
Right.
So they every children here,
Yeah.
they don't know.
Yeah.
Junior, we're gonna teach them
Right.
how to see. Junior never afraid.
Junior is strong.
Yeah, for the Karimbure.
Right.
So they went in. When they went in,
Yeah.
one father
Yeah.
just take his son too.
Right.
He leave the son to the mother.
Yeah.
So he was about to go to the farm.
Right.
Then after that, he was crying.
Right.
Then the mother said, "Please come, support this one.
Yeah.
I can go with that.
Take one.
Push him,
Yeah.
show him,
Yeah.
go,
Right.
go together." He take his knife.
Yeah.
He was the first son to go and manipulate him.
Right.
So when they went in,
Yeah.
he forgot to take his knife away from there.
Oh,
So Junior,
Yeah.
before Junior coming there,
Yeah.
people are crying. And the grandpa wants to discuss a story to Junior. You know what? In the olden days,
Right.
you people nowadays are lucky.
Yeah.
You use the hospital
Yeah.
for this
Asgen?
happening. Asgen,
Yeah.
There is a revision in Guna.
you see them bamboo there?
Yeah.
We use some bamboo.
Right.
Some of them,
Our forefathers, our
our
grandfathers,
grandfather,
Yeah.
we use some bamboo.
Yeah.
When we train the thing to finish,
1 month
Yeah.
they did.
Mendong Mamo,
Yeah.
we use the kerosene to.
Yeah.
You people are
System
good.
near-
Anyway,
Yeah.
you people are good.
Yeah.
Nowadays you have the hospital.
Right.
It's
All the
very
machine there.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
it's very good.
Jesus.
Yeah, she says mega musurua. So from there,
Yeah.
this one was Junior when something coming from inside the hospital.
Yeah.
He started to afraid.
Okay.
Come, Ju.
Yeah.
We are from the strong clan.
Yeah. Do tu da sora bosa ni bi bakal ngangkat weekend.
Iya.
Right. Right.
Iya.
Lalu tu memang kamu sen bermalang.
Iya, iju dan numero na sayu.
Right.
Ju, think of your forefather.
Iya.
Right. Right.
Numero tutu.
Right.
Think of your grandpa.
Right.
Numero harto na bubalik ni numuna.
Think of your mama side.
Iya. Momo.
Uncle.
Iya.
Don't think of them. We are simple of us.
Right.
Arto na kuno arto sa nanama kira.
The doctor, they are looking for the future.
Sini kuha.
Yeah.
Asama tala uchi.
Today is the day that everybody has planned fast.
Ano mati ko na logo sa tumbuts ko may ba.
Yes, the food is there to go.
Tapi kakebe ko iju. Embaliti ko na sini kuha.
Ju, this is a time. It's all about you.
Ele mo si beka tarbi.
It's painful sometimes.
Ye na uchi mai.
It
Mo
finishes.
si na uchi.
The painful will come away and fade away.
Mo sini ko ju.
Today is your day.
Right.
Semasa tungaya.
Yeah.
Ham. Jauh.
Other level na
Aduh beli pula. Remang goju. When you look like this.
Yeah.
Because he had that story.
Yeah.
There's a small one.
Yeah.
Small knife.
Yeah.
Small knife is for you, Ju.
Yeah.
Rene, when he go inside,
Yeah.
he saw one cell kapa, la okapi.
Yeah.
One cell kapa, kung silili mo ni kung natamani mo na kwa muli na tiloma.
Right.
Oi.
He saw when Ju saw the yes, when he is Ju. When Ju saw the knife in the hospital doctor's room,
Ano na ka jo matay?
he thinks that this is the right one.
Naisal sara di jo matay guri.
This is the knife that we use.
Yeah.
Are mo ko Ju, no?
Yeah.
Why no?
Yeah.
Joe, inside Ju,
Yeah.
grandpa.
Yeah.
When from there, sa kilo Ju eu salenga.
Yeah.
Nakangkon tentu ni bindo bertunang kasi may bato mo kina. Amang aning go Ju ba malua. Tutu tukai au kere-kere ko moliu. Nora mo tanga meliu asin ni berangan no bunwai. Ju au kere-kere. Ano mo buka tutu mekua. Dalala ko mudu na isele. Banga ni go Ju mudu malama. Oh, tukai baba.
Wai nunu sa wai nunu nga.
Kaya makambi ang kaya ito kay.
Iya.
Isang sana na mula.
So, pakai teh selek ya dalam ka menimbil.
Oi lei.
Una sana semua yang mutaka berani kuah.
Iya.
Kalau nanti kan ngasih di wino ya.
Iya.
Ana non ruang wala na batiki makumbuna.
Right.
Ana bali mula may nabual.
Eli bangge.
Di wangi. Ya bote o kenda.
Iya.
So naman dito sa maya, yung luman tayo ko.
Iya.
Dito,
Iya.
makadarir mo, siguro di test na kayo.
Gas us. Ay, andre.
Right.
Kasi.
Ano na ka Western Rusa sila mit sa Australia Basilio pagka tuturangani.
Wala.
Ano na ka pagka rin na berbito kani yan na mataka na kani korona.
Iya.
Like hat lo tekan Rusia. Kita kan dapat tukar ya.
Iya.
Ano man ko. Mata 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 kamarin bulong.
Demesi.
Nawala yung punches.